Hi, Chodesh Tov. The halacha should be להצלחת עם ישראל, רפואת מור אבי, אמרם בן רינה פני ירגל, רפואה שלמה. Today is Rosh Chodesh, first day of Rosh Chodesh Mar Cheshvan, when obviously one of the main points of the tefillah in Rosh Chodesh is that we insert Yaale Veyavo into the tefillah. Now, the exception to the tefillot of Rosh Chodesh is tefillat arvit, in that although you have to lechatechila insert Yaale Veyavo into tefillat Rosh Chodesh, into Amidah of Lil Rosh Chodesh, the halacha is be'arvit, if a person did not, and he already reached the Shem Hashem of Amachazir Shechinato L'Tzion, which means he already said Baruch Atah Hashem, he should not fix himself, he should continue, and he does not have to repeat the Amidah. The Gemara says this applies to both nights of Rosh Chodesh, if it's a 2-day Rosh Chodesh, because of the rule, En Mekaddeshin et HaChodesh Balayla, they would never sanctify the new moon at night, they only accepted the Eidim during the day, and therefore, a person wouldn't have to repeat the Amidah. But the rule, besides for Arvit Shel Tfilat Rosh Chodesh, the other Tfilot, Shacharit, Umincha, person has to insert Yaale Veyavo, and if he did not, he has to repeat the Amidah. Now again, before repeating the Amidah, there's certain places in the Amidah that he can fix himself. For instance, if he already said the Hashem of Amachazir Shechinato L'Tzion, just Hashem, he can just say, Lamedeni Chukecha, say it right there, and then continue with Ve'ata B'rachamecha Rabim. If he already said Hamachazir, he said Baruch Atah Hashem Hamachazir, he should finish Shechinato L'Tzion and say Yaale Veyavo right there, and then continue with Modim Anachnu Lach. Now, if you already said Hamachazir Shechinato L'Tzion Modim, you already said the word Modim, can't insert it right there. He has to go back to Retzeh and say it ala seder like that. Now, if a person already said from Modim and on, that's the same halacha from the word Modim until the end of the Amidah, same halacha applies. If he remembers, he has to go back to Retzeh. This applies until the second Yule Ratzon after Elohai Netzor. If a person did not yet say he's still eligible to go back and fix it, once a person has said the second Yule Ratzon Mirefi after Elohai Netzor, that's considered the end of the Amidah. Even if a person didn't say Oseh Shalom, he's considered to have completely concluded his Amidah, and the halacha is at that point he's no longer able to fix not saying Yaale Veyavo by going back to the Tzeh. At that point he'll have to go back all the way to the beginning of the Amidah. Unfortunately, at that point, that will have earned him 19 brachot levatala, because the entire Amidah was levatala since he didn't pray ketakanat chachamim, and yet he still didn't pray. He's considered not to have prayed yet, so he has to repeat the Amidah anyway. So again, he has to say that, and bichozer b'tshuva for saying brachot levatala. So it's always better, especially on Rosh Chodesh, to pray not only with a lot of kavanah, but also mitoch hasidur, slowly and deliberately, so a person doesn't fall into these errors. Have a wonderful day, and Chodesh Tov. Mincha ve'arvit throughout the week is at 10 to 6. Kol tov.